Hey guys, we're going to take a look today at how to add products with variations like size and color in your e-commerce back office. So you'll see my dashboard here. We'll see the Add New button right here. So I'll hit the Add New button, and I've already got some images and everything lined up for the specific item. So I'm going to just show you what I do. I will find the image on the web and get the description, all that kind of stuff. So this is the image that I'm going to be adding. It's already on the web, so I'm just going to copy everything that I can from the website that what we're selling out. We'll need. I mean, you can put your own stuff in here, but this is the exact same product that it's being sold. So I'm just looking it up on the supplier's website and copying everything over. And we'll do this, and you can put as much or as little information as you want. This is what I want to add as far as the description goes. And I'm going to copy this just so I have all this here done properly. Sorry. Okay, so I'm copying this meta tag. Okay, you can put as much stuff as you want here, product tags. The next step is going over to data and the style number, which I have in an Excel sheet over here. I'm going to take this. This is exactly the way that I do this. Okay. This is the style number, and then I will select the supplier. Okay, the price, the retail price is, this is what I'm going to sell the item for. I'm just going to look at my cost, 616. I can put the cost in here. Okay, and it gives you a markup here. This is a taxable item, so I'm going to put tax on it. The next thing is, I mean, you can put all the other things if you want, dimensions. If you're using that to calculate your shipping, you can do that as well. The next step is going over to links, and then I'm going to select the manufacturer, which is Juicy Couture. I'm going to select the categories, which will show up on the front end of the women's site. Okay, tops. Women's tops, and I think this is women's. Okay, again over here we've got another filter. These things just to help the item be to be found on the website. I can have related products as well if I want. Let me see if I can find anything here. Nope. Let's go back to this. Okay, I don't have a related product here, but you could have a related product here if you wanted. The next step is going over to the options, and I'm going to select color because this has I've already preset all the stuff up. My categories, my colors, that's already been preset, and I can show you that in a different video. But assuming everything's preset, I'm going to now hit the add button over there, the plus sign, and select a color. So I've got this, which is cream soda. I'm just going to look at my inventory receiving, what I received in this item. So we received, in this, we received 1 extra small, 2 smalls, 2 mediums, and a large. So I'm just going to add those quantities here. 1 extra small, 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay. I'm going to now go to the image. Over here, I've already got a folder with this brand. I'm going to upload the images that I got right here. Sorry, 1 second. Okay, so I'm going to go to the image, find the right images that I've just created. So I'm going to upload all of these images to this specific item. Okay, I've uploaded them, it's successful. Now I just got to find those images. You can search for it here, but I know it's the next page. So I'm going to select this as the cover image. Now I need to save this because when I come over to the images here, there's not. If I added, there says no color option. So I'm going to come back here, hit the apply button. It saves it. Okay, now this is a promotional item that we've got. So hang on a second. So now that we've saved that, I'm going to come back over to the image. Now you see I've got cream soda here. So that's what's needed to pull the to save this. You need to save it first. So again, I'm going to pull the image. Okay, let's go over here. Let's use this image. I'm going to check this. So we can add multiple images of the same item. So we've already got that. We'll add this. I'll add just in a sequence that makes kind of sense. This, make sure you check off the color boxes, otherwise it will not show up on the website. We'll look at the website in a second. So I've got 1, 2, 3 in the back. So I've got front, side, back. And then the last thing I got to do is come over to the data section again and set product quantity according to what I just entered. So right now it's showing we have 0. So I'm going to set this, and now we're going to have a new stock quantity of 6 because this is what I've entered. And save. And what will happen on our system, we've got an extension that publishes this directly to our Facebook page now. So I can just hit the Post Now button, and it goes directly to our Facebook page. So that's exactly how you enter the specific item. Make sure you follow all the steps. And then what it looks like on the front end, I'm going to go to women's, and you'll see there is that item we just entered. So I can click it, and I can see all the different images. So I've got 2 images, the same thing, but you can see the different images, color options. If I had multiple options in color, I would be able to just come here and add another color, do the same steps over again, whatever color I wanted, do the same exact steps. But I only got 1 color in this item, so I'm just going to use that. So that's how you add an item in the e-commerce platform in the back office. Thanks for watching.